Hello, Dr. Amy Mercovich here, posture expert and chiropractor, and we're working on our core and back strength. Today's set of exercises is called tabletop variations, and this is a little bit easier than the plank variations that you'll see in another video. So we're going to start on our hands and knees, and we're going to do a series of exercises there. So first of all, on your hands and knees, this is our tabletop, our starting point. You want to pull your belly in so that you are protecting your lower back. First exercise is to bring one leg out behind you at a time. So just bring one leg straight out, and now you're keeping your hips level with each other. You're trying to not twist like this. You don't want to let your back sink. You're keeping your belly engaged and the leg straight behind you, your hips down. So hold about 10 seconds each side. Go to the other side. Hold that about 10 seconds. Then we're going to do each arm at a time. This gets a little bit harder for your core, so hold your belly nice and strong and tight. And you're going to bring your arms straight out in front of you and hold that about 10 seconds. Do the other side, about 10 seconds. Now, the challenge is to be able to balance without letting your back move and do the one leg and the opposite arm at the same time. And you want to, again, keep the hips level, pull in the belly so you're protecting your lower back. And then hold that about 10 seconds and do each side. Keeping that belly really pulled in, that's where you protect the lower back. And then if you think that is way too easy, you want to do the plank variations, and you could just go right into the one foot up, opposite arm up, and really challenge yourself. And that is in another video as well. So there you have your tabletop variations for your back and core strength.